Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? Look where we're at. Dollar Tree, Chef Sam's Macy's.
I was just about to say Chef Trini's favorite spot. Hey Chef and Chefettes! Guys, today's a great day because we're going to show you something special, alright? But before I tell you what it is, I want to say welcome everybody who's new. Guys, all our family, thank you for saying subscribe. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and tell a friend to come and subscribe too with you guys, alright? So, we're jumping right into today.
Subscribe!
Probably wondering what's in this green bag, right? Guys, in this bag, I'm gonna show you a delicious meal you can make for $5. You heard me? $5. Yup. And I'm gonna tell you everything you're gonna need to make this recipe. Let me show you first before I tell you what I'm making.
You do know they can see the thumbnail and read the title.
First of all, let me live, okay?
Okay.
Thank
Just
you.
making sure you know that.
Garlic bread.
Uh-huh.
We have some spaghetti.
Uh-huh.
We have meatball, all $1. $1, $2, $3, all right? Some garlic and herb pasta sauce, and some Parmesan cheese. Guys, that's it.
So
Nothing more, okay?
So what you making?
So for those who didn't read the thumbnail, I'm gonna make spaghetti and meatball, guys, with some sauce and some garlic bread.
Wait, where'd you get it from?
Dollar Tree. You didn't see the green bag? Woo! Everything $1 at Dollar Tree, guys. So stay tuned for what I'm gonna do. Chefettes, everything is done, guys. So before I tell you exactly what I did, make sure to comment and subscribe and hit that like button. All right, you ready? Let me show you. $1 spaghettis, guys. Look at this. So what I did was I boiled a little bit of water with some salt and butter. All right, for about 7 minutes to make this spaghetti. And with our delicious meatballs over there, I kind of sauteed it a little bit in some water and butter. And then I put in Italian dressing. I put in some garlic powder. I put in, I'm gonna make a mess. Let's move this over. What else I put in there, baby? I completely forgot already.
I don't know. I'm trying to get you in the scene.
Guys, you can see the B-roll. Everything I put in here. Here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and this garlic bread, we put it in there for like 5 minutes. Look how amazing it looks.
Yeah.
Y'all see that?
Totally.
Totally. $2 right there. $3 with the sauce.
Yeah, that's $3.
Parmesan cheese, $4.
$4.
Sprinkle this bad boy right on top. It's a preference, put as much as you like, guys. Like that, you could garnish it whatever you want. You know what? I'm just gonna garnish it with something green, just because.
What's that?
This is parsley. You don't have to, but it just makes the plate look better, guys. Look at that. And bow, $5.
$5, and that's look at that would feed the whole family because I see there's so much left.
So much left. You see that? So much left. Guys, make this meal. Save some money. Affordable. It's delicious. It looks banging.
Spaghetti.
I can't even say that.
Oh.
Let me know what you think, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and make this dish